Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add members to a Microsoft Teams group chat. Now, assuming you already have a group chat created, just open up your Microsoft Teams, then just head over to chat. And after you are at chat, you're gonna find your groups. Just select the group in which you want to add more members. For me, this is this Friends Forever group. And to add someone to this group, what I have to do is just click on the add button over here. There's a user icon over here. Just click on that. This will show me the participants as well as give me an invitation link. If I just copy the link from here and send it to people, they can join using that link. But I can manually add people as well. To do that, again, click on the plus button. From here, just click on add people. And in here, just type the name of the people that I want to add. If I want, I can add multiple people over here as well. That's basically it. I can just click on add and the persons will be added in this group chat. And there you go. And basically that is how to add people to group chats in Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.